I'm Sinta Agniagara. I will explain about Silent Way. Silent Way is a language teaching method created by Charles Bukowski in 1963 that makes extensive use of silence as a teaching technique. The teacher used silence for multiple purposes in the silent way. It used to focus students' attention, to elicit student responses, and to encourage them to correct their own errors. Even though teachers are often silent, they are still active. They will commonly use techniques such as mouthing words and using hand gestures to help the student with their pronunciation. Teachers will also encourage students to help their skills. Silent Way teachers use specialized teaching material. One of the hallmarks of the method is the use of questionnaire rules, which can be used for anything from introducing simple commands to representing abstract objects such as a cloak. The principles are: 1. Teachers should concentrate on how students learn and on how to teach. 2. The teacher works on the student while students work on the language. 3. Instead of learning to learn, students formulate their own rules from experience. Students learn the language instead of learning about the language. 4. The teacher uses what the student already knows. 5. Students learn from one another. 6. The teacher doesn't know the language but helps students develop language barriers for practice. Define goals. The general goal of the Silent Way is to help mid-level students gain basic fluency in the target language. The ultimate aim is to An important part of this ability is being able to use the language for self-expression. Students should be able to express their thoughts, feelings, and needs in the target language. The teacher's task is to focus the student's attention and provide exercise to help them develop language skills. However, to ensure their self-reliance, the teacher should only help the student as much as is strictly necessary. As necessary, the teacher works with students work on the language. For example, teacher will often give students time to correct their own mistakes before giving them the answer to the question. Teacher also avoid praise or criticism, as this can encourage students for developing self-reliance. Teachers may never give a formal test, but they constantly assess students by observing their actions. This allows them to respond straight away to any problems the student might have. Teachers also gain feedback through observing students' errors. Errors are seen as natural and necessary for learning. Furthermore, teachers may gain feedback by asking the student at the end of the lesson. When evaluating, the students' teachers expect them to learn at different rates. and students are not penalized for learning more slowly than their classmates. Teachers look for steady progress in the language, not perfection. Process teaching technique. Just as the name implies, silence is a key tool of the teacher in a silent way. From the beginning level, students do 90% or more of the talking. Being silent moves the focus of the classroom from the teacher to the student and can encourage cooperation among them. Silence can be used to help students correct their own errors. Teachers can remind silence when a student makes a mistake to give them time to self-correct. They can also help students with their pronunciation by mouthing words without vocalizing and by using talking and gestures. When teachers speak, they tend to say things only once so that students learn to focus their attention on them. The silent way students are encouraged to help their classmates when they have trouble with any particular feature of the language. This help should be made in cooperation session, not a competitive one. One of the teacher's tasks is to monitor this interaction